Hi, what is your name?
Tiger.
And Tiger, where do you live?
In the Asian rainforest.
And what do you like to eat, Tiger?
Meat.
What kinds of meats do you like to eat?
From animals.
Okay. How do you stay safe in the Asian rainforest?
We use our stripes to blend in with the sun.
And what kinds of animals or creatures might be trying to eat you?
Nothing.
What else can I add in there? I think that's it. Hi there. What is your name?
I'm a tiger.
And where might you live?
In the Asian rainforest.
And if you're a baby tiger, what do we call you?
A cub.
And what kind of foods do you like to eat?
Meat. And we like to eat leopards.
Ooh, what level of the rainforest would you live in?
The understory.
And can you describe the understory?
It's the low part of the rainforest.
Okay. And how do you protect yourself as a tiger?
With their sharp claws.
And what about your design of your fur?
We have stripes on it. And it blends in with the sun.
All right. And what eats you as a full-grown tiger?
Nothing.
So, how do you defend yourself?
I can blend into leaves.
Thank you. Hi, what's your name?
Poisonous dog frog.
And where do you live?
In the Amazon rainforest.
And what do you like to eat?
Bugs, but mostly flies.
And what makes you poisonous?
My food I eat.
And what color are you?
Blue.
And how do you stay safe?
By poisoning animals and people.
And where do you make tadpoles?
And plants that waddle.
And what part of the rainforest do you live in?
And the understory.
And what kinds of friends do you have?
Tree frogs and just normal frogs.
And where do you like to go to ride your bicycle?
No, because I don't even have a bicycle.
And what do you say at night?
Nothing, I'm sleeping.
What do you say in the morning when you wake up?
Ribbit.
Ribbit. Okay. All right. Thank you. 3. Hi. What is your name?
Poison dart frog.
And where do you live?
And many rainforests.
And what part of the rainforest do you live in? Okay. All right. So what part do you think you live in, Sue? What part do you think you live in?
Understory.
The understory. Okay. All right. You ready? Hi. What's your name?
Poison dart frog.
And where do you live?
And many rainforests.
And what part of the rainforest do you live in?
Understory.
And where do you get your food from?
The rainforest.
What kinds of foods do you like to eat?
Many bugs.
And why are you poisonous?
Because of my food.
And what does your poison help you do?
Get away from enemies.
And what enemies might want to eat you?
Birds, big animals.
Okay. And what do you say to your friends when you see them?
Ribbit.
Very good. Thank you.
Ribbit.
Hi, what is your name?
Harpy eagle.
And where do you live?
Asian rainforest.
And what do you like to eat?
Little animals such as frogs and other types of little birds.
And how big are you compared to other eagles in the world?
Big.
And how many eggs do you lay in your nest?
About 2.
Okay. And what's happening to your home right now?
It's getting destroyed because people are cutting all down the trees.
And what is it that you think you can do about that?
I don't know.
Thank you very much. Hi, what's your name?
Toucan
And where do you live, Toucan?
in the Amazon rainforest.
And what do you like to eat, Toucan?
I like to eat fruit in the Amazon rainforest.
And what part of the Amazon rainforest do you live in?
The canopy.
And how do you protect yourself?
I use my long voice or peck my bill on a branch.
And what's happening to your environment right now?
People are cutting down the trees.
And what's going to end up happening to you?
I'm dying.
And what can we do about that to help you
I'm
out?
gonna peck on them.
Hi, what's your name?
Mr. Poison Dogfly.
And where do you live?
I live mostly in the rainforest.
And can you describe yourself?
I am poisonous.
And what makes you poisonous?
My food.
And how does the poisonous help you?
But so I can kill my predators.
And what kind of predators would come after you?
Poison snakes?
Would any birds come after you as well?
Probably no.
Well, you have really bright colors.
It's because I'm poisonous.
Now, does the poison cause your colors, or what do the colors say to your predators?
That I'm poisonous.
And to do what?
Get away from me.
All right. And what's happening to your environment right now?
It's getting destroyed.
And so what can we do to help you in your environment?
I can poison them?
Now, that means you want to poison all the people who are destroying your environment?
Yes.
Well, as people, what can we do so that no one gets hurt, including you?
You can tell them to stop destroying the trees.
All right. Well, thank you so much for coming to join us today. Hi, what's your name?
Tiger.
And Tiger, where do you live?
In the Asian rainforest.
And Tiger, what can you tell us about the way you look?
Well, I can camouflage myself into, I can camouflage myself with other, things.
Okay, and how does that help you by camouflaging yourself?
Because, I won't get eaten.
All right, what kinds of things do you like to eat?
Birds, and small animals.
Okay, and are there any kinds of things of animals that like to eat you?
No.
No? Who is your biggest predator?
People.
Yes, people. And so what's happening to your environment right now?
People are cutting down trees.
And how does that help you when people cut down trees?
Not really, because they're ruining my environment.
And so what can we as people do to help you not ruin your environment?
Well, you could tell people to stop cutting down trees.
Okay. I think we will try to help you out. How does that sound?
Good.
All right. Thank you very much for joining us today. Hi, and what is your name?
Tiger.
And Tiger, where do you live?
Asian rainforest.
And how can you tell us about how your design helps you live in the forest?
I blend in.
How so? Describe your design.
So my stripes help me stay in the grass and blend in, because the grass is stripy and I'm stripy.
Awesome. And what kinds of things do you like to eat?
I like to eat like other animals that are small and like other kinds.
Okay. Well, is there anything that likes to eat you?
Not much.
And so, can you describe what's happening to your habitat now?
Everyone's destroying it
And why are they destroying it?
because they want trees to build homes.
Okay. And what can we do to help you survive in your habitat?
Tell the others that are destroying my home to stop.
Okay, we will send them the message. How's that?
Good.
Well, thank you so much for joining us today.